And I think today's teaching about pain as sacred medicine is very crucial and instrumental. And let's actually do the healing work that lets these parts be seen, heard, and recognized so that you don't have to hold the past in your cellular body. You can simply move forward into your predestined future. Now here's the balance. When you make choices based on what feels good. But if you're in a situation already and something happens and your reaction is you don't feel good, your reaction of not feeling good or not feeling good in response to an outcome is medicine. And on a spiritual journey, we must find this level of safety and at easiness and peace. And that's the first moment we start to spiritually explore ourselves. Because spiritual exploration only occurs beyond the threshold of problems. You have the right to do anything. And anything you desire is only going to give you the lesson that helps you reclaim a piece of fabric that is woven with the other fabric pieces to become the quilt and tapestry of your highest potential.